go to your groups and answering your activity. Are you all done, class? Very good. Please pass your paper in the front. I hope you understand the activity. But before we proceed, I have some questions here for you to think of during the discussion and answer it on your own, and we will be answering it, or we will answer those throughout the discussion. So first question, what are the prime factors of each term? Second, what is the common factor? And lastly, how did you identify the common factor? Wow! As I check your work, you all did your activity really well. What makes you come up with that idea? Yes, that's right. Always remember that cooperation is the key for every group activity to succeed. The group activity that you did is an example of common monomial factoring. When we say common monomial factoring, it is the process of writing a polynomial as a product of two polynomials, one of which is a monomial that factors each term of the polynomial. So every expression has itself and the number 1 as a factor. These are called the trivial factors. If a monomial is the product of two or more variables or numbers, then it will have a factors other than itself and 1. So with this common monomial factor, we can use this formula. AB plus AC is equals to A quantity B plus C. Now, let us take a look on this example. So number 1, 4B plus 4C. So we need to find the common monomial factor of this 4B plus 4C. So the common monomial factor of 4B plus 4C is equals to 4, since they are the same, and we need to put our quantity B plus C. For number 2, 12B plus 6C. So the common factor of 12B plus 6C is equal to 6 quantity 2B plus 6C. We should copy the 6C. And is equal to 6, since we can multiply the difference or the common factor, we have 6 quantity 2B plus C. And lastly, we have the B cubed plus B squared. So we can write B cubed in B times B squared plus 1B squared. So it is equals to B squared quantity B plus 1. Understood, class? Here are some examples of problems that shows a common monomial factoring. I want you to match the polynomial in column A to its factors in column B. So here are the problems, or here are the polynomials that you need to match from column A to column B. Are you all done, class? Okay, pass your paper in the front. So to sum up our topic for today, again, what is polynomial? Yes, Carl? Factors of polynomials using common monomial factor. Yes, Lady Jane. Last question is, what concepts have you learned from factoring that can be applied in your daily living? Yes, Kyle. Very good, Kyle. Now, have you learned a lot from our today's lessons? Nice, excellent. That is good to hear. You really are a fast learner. So at this point of time, we will be having an activity about our topic for today. The title of this activity is Plan to Encourage. So the direction is, you need to provide at least 10 ways of courage that you needed in order to make up for your shortcoming in life. So here are the mechanics. First, this will be done by pair. The students will act as a messenger of hope. Third, students should be creative and critically thinker. Fourth, students will present their work in front of the class. Fifth, each group will be given 5 minutes to do the activity and 3 minutes to present their output. And lastly, the rubrics will be given to score the performance of the students. Here are the rubrics that you need to follow in order for you to be guided. Are we all clear, class? Please write your names on a 1/4 sheet of paper and you may start now. Okay, you may present your work now. So, common monomial factoring can be used in a real-life situation. Can you explain why? Yes, that's right. Many of us experience different uncertainties, emotions, feelings, and shortcomings, specifically in bias or unequal treatment, fraud, and time management. That is why common monomial factoring taught us on how to divide something into equal pieces, exchange money, compare prices, understand time, and make calculations during travel very well and correctly.